Ethereum has been going crazy today, hitting a new all-time high. But what comes next for Ethereum? What's next for the price? How high can the price go before this current uptrend breaks? Also today I have some very bullish news for you regarding a key Ethereum upgrade and some critical scaling technology. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, then subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and smash the thumbs up button to make sure to catch all of my videos. So let's get straight into the charts to start off with today. Ethereum is currently in a very strong uptrend. Now, as long as we maintain above the green line on the chart here, then that uptrend remains intact. Ethereum even hit a new all-time high today, which is very exciting. That came in at around $1,820. This is like the fifth new all-time high in the last month for Ethereum as that uptrend continues pushing the price higher. And I think we're getting ready to see some even more new all-time highs before Ethereum actually comes in for a major correction. In fact, just take a look at this beautiful breakout from the massive ascending triangle that had been building up for weeks. We even got a beautiful situation where Ethereum came back down, retested that top line of resistance from the triangle as support, flipping it over. This is technically a very strong move that should continue to see the uptrend moving higher. The price for this triangle breakout, the target for this triangle breakout, $2,200. So yes, you can hopefully see Ethereum crossing the $2,000 line very, very soon, probably by the end of this week. But what comes next? What happens after 2000? How long can this uptrend continue before seeing a major correction take place? Well, perhaps Bitcoin can give us some guidance here. You see, Bitcoin broke out above its previous all-time highs and started its run, and it took actually 23 days for Bitcoin to gain 111% before finally finding a local top and having a significant 30% correction. I think Ethereum is in a pretty similar place right now. It's also important to note with Bitcoin that Bitcoin, just after about a week or so after its initial breakout, had that big markup period. We had a brief correction, as people kind of came in to take some profits before Bitcoin pushed higher to $42,000. Looking at the charts, I believe that Ethereum could be getting ready to follow a very similar pattern. Bitcoin's leading the market, Ethereum's following closely behind. You see, Ethereum only actually broke its previous all-time high 7 days ago. And I know that seems like a freaking eternity in crypto because this market moves so damn fast, but it was only 7 days ago, guys, only 7 days ago. We are only a week into price discovery for Ethereum. And much like Bitcoin, we have just had a good price correction into the early stages of this run. So we saw those people coming in to take profits, selling off on the new highs, pretty typical stuff, nothing too exciting here. Now Ethereum is winding up for the big move, right? The explosive rally that takes up to $3,129. This could happen as soon as February 24th if, of course, we do follow any way similar to the pattern that Bitcoin did. Well, I think that $3,000 will be a strong line of resistance. I also suspect that much like with Bitcoin, we could see it push a little bit beyond that key line in the same way that $40,000 is a big psychological round number. Will be pushed just beyond that before coming down for a correction. Irrational exuberance will probably take Ethereum just over $3,000 before we see that good, healthy price correction coming in. Look, that's just my prediction. Just my prediction based on what Bitcoin did. Dates and numbers and all that stuff inevitably are not going to play out exactly like that. But as long as this uptrend remains in place, and the market remains bullish, then I think that Ethereum is basically primed for an incredible freaking rally. So get your bags ready. I hope they're packed. I hope you're ready for this big rocket ship because this is a strong uptrend and I think it's going to be a very exciting rest of February for Ethereum. A big thank you to BlockFi for sponsoring today's episode. Now with BlockFi, you can earn a safe and simple passive income on your cryptocurrency via their cryptocurrency interest accounts. So you can earn 5.25% on your Ethereum, 6% on Bitcoin, 6.5% on Litecoin, and 8.6% on dollar stablecoins like USDC. All you need to do, deposit your crypto and BlockFi will do the rest. You can even send a wire transfer or an ACH transfer over to BlockFi to get funds into the platform. Just sit back and you'll get your monthly payments paid out in crypto. And they even have a flex pay option that lets you decide basically what you want to get paid out in. So as an example, you can deposit USDC, then set your payments to be just paid out in Bitcoin, which is a pretty cool way to stack some extra sats. And as a special bonus, if you sign up using the link down below in the description, then you will get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus when starting and funding a new account. I've been using BlockFi for a year and a half. Absolutely love the service, and I'm sure you will too. So definitely check that out if you want to start earning a passive income with your crypto. So let's get into some bullish Ethereum news here. Lots of stuff going on in Ethereum right now, but there's a couple stories I think really stand out. The first is that the CME futures, they've come, they've gone. The market did not enter a new bear market. Quite the opposite. Ethereum's gone on to make new all-time highs since then. Now, Ethereum has actually had an excellent week too in terms of institutional interest. The CME brought a lot of eyes onto Ethereum, as I thought that it might. Apparently, the run-up to the futures launch saw an incredible 80% of the institutional money flowing into crypto coming from institutions going into Ethereum last week. So all that institutional money, 80% of the institutional money went into Ethereum last week, right? They also bought Bitcoin and stuff, but big interest on Ethereum. Clearly shows that institutions are waking up to Ethereum and its potential. The CME was a big advertisement for Ethereum, essentially. It won't be long until we see someone like ARK Invest coming out and saying that they're buying Ethereum, they're putting some Ethereum in their innovation fund or whatever it might be. That will trigger a big FOMO event for institutions who are still on the sidelines with Ethereum. The next big piece of news to share, EIP 1559, might only be a few weeks away now. Now, in case you're not familiar, this is the Ethereum improvement proposal that will introduce a base fee for Ethereum transactions and fee burning, essentially creating a positive feedback loop for the price of Ethereum, since all those gas fees are going to be burnt, making Ethereum scarcer and stopping some of the constant, or at least slowing down some of the constant sell pressure that we're seeing from miners until we switch over to ETH 2.0 and proof of stake. So imagine something, if you could think of EIP 1559, something like stock buybacks, right? But instead of the company just buying back the stocks, they're throwing them away, right? Pretty interesting concept. We could see a few percent of the supply of Ethereum being burnt every single year based on current usage metrics. And according to an Ethereum developer working on it, the upgrade is ready to be considered for the mainnet in the next few weeks. They only have a few more items on the checklist left to do before they actually can implement this and push it out to the Ethereum mainnet. So what that means is that we could see this upgrade coming potentially end of February, more likely sometime in March, but that's really soon, guys. That's really, really soon. And this is a big upgrade for Ethereum. And look, yeah, I know, tech deadlines, notoriously fluid, always getting moved back, always getting delayed, but nevertheless, we are incredibly close to getting this upgrade implemented. The long-term effects of this upgrade, moon time for Ethereum. And finally for today, we've got some really big news from the guys over at Matic. They are rebranding and expanding their scope. So Matic is basically extending its lead as the premier layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. And with Ethereum gas fees the way they are right now, we need more Ethereum layer 2 scaling solutions to actually be used and to become relevant. And Matic is very relevant. So their new name is Polygon. They're calling themselves Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Now, Matic, it's already a beast. It's got more than 80 applications running at layer 2, including, some of those popular stablecoins and stuff like that. So it's been making a big impact already. And by the way, those 80 applications is basically more than all of the other billion-dollar zombie chains combined. And this is just a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. But it goes beyond that, of course. What Polygon now, Matic previously, is doing is trying to be the Swiss Army knife of Ethereum's scaling and infrastructure development. In addition to its current plasma chain, Polygon will also offer new scaling solutions like rollups, as well as interchain communications protocols. The intent here is to make Ethereum into a multi-chain ecosystem, much like Polkadot and Cosmos have been doing. So Matic is bringing that vision into a reality. This is big for, obviously both for Polygon and for Ethereum. Layer 2 scaling, it's probably one of the most mission critical pieces of technology for Ethereum right now, and Polygon is delivering on that. So very bullish on my Polygon bag. Previously, the artist formerly known as Matic. I've had that for ages, so bullish to see that, really getting some good traction these days, people taking more notice of it. Anyway, your question for today: which company do you think will be the first to announce that they are buying Ethereum? Very, very curious to see who it's going to be. Will it be someone like Tesla? Will it be someone like Apple? Who knows? But someone's going to do it. There is going to be a big investor, a big hedge fund, or big company that comes out and buys it. Maybe it's going to be ARK Invest. Anyway, curious to hear who you think it's going to be. Let me know down below in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.